It's spring break 2020, and it's time to tour the Arts Alive office.
Oh, hey!
Who's working here?
I am working on lesson plans for all the videos that we are making, and I was listening to our House Full of Happiness songs. I'll turn them off while y'all are here. Welcome to our office.
Yay!
Hey, this is where I sit. This is my desk.
We get so many requests to say, where do you get all this great stuff for Arts Alive? Well, we have our office, which is not a studio. And people say, is this where the magic happens? What do we say?
This is where the magic begins.
So right here is our foyer,
Yes.
if you want to say it fancy.
Our cozy area.
Little cozy
Behind you
area.
are where the snakes live on our coat rack. We have a lot of big
Da-
IKEA snakes.
Right there. We have little meetings and such in this small area.
Would you like a tour?
Yes, please.
Hey. Well, this is where we communicate with each other when we're not here, our cubbies.
We have cubbies too.
And our little recorders. Seems old-fashioned, but we leave each other messages on here. And look, there are the puppets of us.
We like puppets so much
Anissa,
that we
Wendy,
get our
Tina, and
own
Janet.
puppets.
For the
Wendy and Janet couldn't be here today,
Yeah.
but look, there's Janet
Janet.
with her suitcase,
suitcase, yes.
and Wendy with her scarf in her hand, ready to do Arts Alive.
Yes. And a very colorful clock. So why don't you follow me over here? A lot of you have seen our videos, and we don't have a studio, so we are just here in our office, and this is where we get all of our props from. A long time ago, they all lived in one tiny little closet at my house, and now look at us.
Look at everything.
Some of them warrant 3 tubs of things like Fantastic Fun with Food. Some of them have 2 tubs like dinosaurs, dancing dinosaurs, and some of them just 1 tub like Friends Forever.
And because we are teachers and just need some organization, they are alphabetized.
As much as possible,
As
yes.
much as possible. They are very well organized. Janet is our playroom goddess, or pilot, yes.
And you might also notice that on the top shelf are the type of props that are not just thematic. Like in food, we have an apple because we pretty much just use the apple for our food lesson plan. But on top we have like glasses because we use glasses in lots of things, and hats. And oh, look under here. We have our
This is the playroom. We call this whole area the playroom.
bin full of rattle mice. Lots of them are out right now.
So over the years, my kids have grown up here. Wendy's kids, we have lots of what we call little Lou's because we are all, I'm Anissa Lou, this is Tina Lou. We have little Lou's that come here. There's our playroom sign. Playroom rules, use your imagination.
This is our library where we get all of our books for our lesson plans, as well as all of our many, many laminates that we use. We love laminates.
Little
And our
closet.
bigger props live up here. You might see
Olaf.
Olaf in one of the videos that we just made
Hello, Ola.
for Friends Forever.
Tour, there's some of the things down there, but our kids would come here and play and just get to experience the magic.
And those of you in our classes will recognize all of our suitcases that we use and go from school to school with. Oh, here's a fun area where we don't have a lot of them out right now, but where we cut all our streamers. And then we have boxes of streamers. And sometimes we wear special shirts.
There's like horses. And the office of Wendy and Anissa.
With their partner desk.
We have a partner desk that we have been sitting at for at least 20 years.
Some years.
Well, guys,
Up
thank-
and away.
Oh, yeah. those are from our original office.
Oh, over here we didn't show them our setup as sort of partner desks where all of our teachers do their prep and lesson planning when we're here. We don't need
Jenny and Lauren and Stacy and
we don't need a desk per teacher because we're not usually in the office all at the same time. So it was really nice that you guys came on our tour. We're so excited to be able to show you where all of the magic starts, and please follow us and watch all of our wonderful YouTube so that you can play with us at home. Bye.
bye everybody.